Hey guys, how's it going? Well, today we are going to test out the 2007 Chevy Silverado. We are going to put a ton of wood pellets in a half-ton truck. This isn't the first time. This is probably fourth time, maybe fifth. I think they were all with this truck. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah. So hopefully I can get a video of empty to full, and it's right down the road, so only 5 minutes away, so we don't have to go far with it. So yeah, we'll go get a ton of wood pellets now. Hey guys, John Deere 50D here. You're watching John Deere 50D on YouTube TV. The lowrider Chevy now. That's what a ton will do. It's right down. Oh yeah, I get cracking at 50, 40-pound bags. Now that's a little more like the truck I remember. If you could see the last clip there, I think it was the stopper in there. That stopper there was right against the axle. So she was at max squash. I'll have to give you a profile shot and show you the differences. Oh, there they are. 50, 40-pound bags. All carried through that door by hand. It's not too bad. I usually get on the truck, throw them to the tailgate. My dad picks them from the tailgate. We had the truck right outside that door there. So, I set them on the tailgate, took them off the pallet, put them on the tailgate. My dad picked them up and put them in here. So, yeah, not too bad. So, I'll just show you the inside cat, in case anybody cared. Here's the wood stove, pellet stove. I'll just show you it real quick. Works pretty good, heats this whole house. I forget how many square feet the house is, but and it's on low. If any of you guys have wood pellets, make sure you get the good stuff. Don't buy them from Lowe's and Home Depot. They're cheaper, but they're not as good as the ones we had. We got them from there before, and we usually have this on one auger speed 1, and when we had the cheaper ones, we had to have it on like 4 to get the same heat. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. So yeah, the Chevy held up despite the rust on the frame. Pieces of shit, but anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Comment, rate, and subscribe.